Protests in Bengaluru and Kolar over the death of IS officer D.K. Ravi Kumar, who took on the sand mafia and the builder nexus. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah even visited the IS officer's residence a short while ago. D.K. these are visuals now of his body being taken away. Now, D.K. Ravi Kumar, who is just 36, was found dead in his apartment in Bengaluru yesterday evening. The police suspect suicide, though no note was found. Friends allege foul play as the officer was a man of courage and integrity, they say. In Bengaluru, AAP and Pro-Kannada group organized a protest demanding a CBI probe into the death. There were also protests in Kolar, where Mr. Kumar was earlier posted and where he was popular as an upright officer.
Sir, what do you have to say about it? Sir, it's not a very healthy atmosphere for officials to function in the state of Karnataka.
We are asking that question. See, we don't know what happened. How prima facie it looks according to the preliminary report of the police. It is suicide. That is what preliminary inquiry shows. And the investigation is going on. We do not know the cause of the death, exact cause of the death. Let the inquiry, investigation be conducted and let them come out with the report.
Investigation has reached a stage of inquest. The inquest and the post-mortem are going to be completed very soon. Therefore, I am not in a position to give any further comments than what I have told yesterday, that it's a prima facie case of suicide. Let the investigation team give the further report, based on which we will be able to brief you.
It is a really shocking development for the entire state. Everybody with suspicious attitude, everybody expressing their views. According to our several police officers, they are telling this is a suicide incident. But his colleagues, they are telling me they had a long rapport with him from last 5-10 years. Even his childhood friends, they are also expressing their views that he is a very hard man. Even in any circumstances, he is not such kind of weak person. From last 1 month, he has taken very hard decision about big builders.
Big builders also.
All these things, what he worked from last 1.5 years, everybody feeling there is something has happened in this issue.
All right, let's go across to Maya Sharma now, who's been tracking all these developments. Maya, clearly a very tragic death and a lot of protests in Kolar, where this officer was earlier posted. In Bengaluru, it though does seem more political, the protest. But tell us more about this officer and the investigations.
Well, Gargi, yes, an absolutely tragic death of a man, a young IAS officer who was considered by all who came in touch with him as very honest, very straightforward, and not fearful of taking on people in big positions, taking on big companies. When he was DC in Kolar, he took on the sand mafia there, the very powerful sand mafia there. He helped with returning land to those who had been dispossessed of it. He took on the sand mafia. And in fact, when he was transferred out of Kolar, that district even had protests because they did not want to lose him. So popular was he in Kolar district. Kolar district today, in fact, observing a bandh. Shops are closed, schools and colleges are closed, exams have been postponed. The highway has been blocked on and off with people gathering in groups. Reports of some stone throwing as well, although the SP of police told us it was